Hepatitis A is a virus that causes contagious liver infections in the human body. Hepatitis A is preventable by the vaccine. It spreads from contaminated food or water or contact with someone who is infected. Hepatitis B is a disease is most commonly spread by the exposure of the infected bloody fluids, a serious liver infection caused by hepatitis B virus that easily preventable by the vaccine. Viral hepatitis is an infection that causes liver inflammation and damage. Inflammation is a swelling that occurs when tissues of the body become injured or infected.
Hepatitis A has been an incubation period of approximately 28 days, range 15 to 50 days. HAV replicates in the liver and in sheds in high concentrations in feces from 2 weeks before 1 week after the onset of clinical illness. Diagnosis, treatment, and reservoir of hepatitis A. Treatment of hepatitis A is supportive. Hepatitis B is caused by infection with the hepatitis B virus HBV, the prototype member of Hepandavirus family. HBV is the only human representative of the family. In adults, only approximately half of the newly acquired HBV infections are symptomatic, and approximately 1% of reported case results in acute liver failure and death. Hepatitis B. Diagnosed hepatitis B is detected by looking for a number of different antigens and antibodies.
Hepatitis C. Around 2.4 million people in USA are living with diagnosis of hepatitis C. 80% of the people don't know they have hepatitis C until they have liver damage. The hepatitis C virus causes hepatitis C. It's contagious and spread through blood-to-blood contact. However, there is no vaccine for it, but new medications can cure chronic hepatitis C, and some researchers believe that in US by year 2036 it will be a rare disease.
Hepatitis D, also known as delta hepatitis, is a single-stranded circular RNA virus structurally unrelated to hepatitis A, B, or C viruses. HDV is an incomplete virus that requires the helper function of HBV to replicate and only occurs among people who are infected with the hepatitis B virus HBV. Hepatitis E. It is one of a serious liver disease caused by hepatitis E virus HEV that usually results in an acute infection. It does not lead to a chronic infection. While rare in the United States, hepatitis E is common in many parts of the world. Preventions for hepatitis E. A hepatitis E vaccine was just approved for use but only in China. Good sanitization measures are essential for preventing environmental contamination. Good personal hygiene is also essential for prevention, such as washing your hand with soap after using the bathroom, after changing a diaper, before preparing and eating food.